Steel, glass and stone, the formula to convert a building into a historic site by INAH. In this occasion, we are going to talk about the Jenkins Building or French Building, located on the corner of 2 Norte and 2 Oriente in the heart of the historic downtown. This construction of Art Nouveau and Art Deco style was inaugurated in 1910. There were originally los almacenes de México and after that, fábricas de Francia.
Y sobre su construcción te platicamos lo siguiente.
Steel and glass came from France by ship. Once arrived on Veracruz port, they were transported to Puebla City to later be assembled right here. But what about the stone? Extracted from the Espiritu Santo Hacienda from Izúcar de Matamoros, it represents perfectly two worlds fusion. So you already know, even in the most common material, we can find the French influence here in Puebla City. My name is Uriel Cruz. Thank you for watching.